Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to answer a question that was recently posed to me by a fashion blogger.
How do you find out if you have the 60-second reels on Instagram?
60-second reels are one of the newest features from Instagram, and because of that, not all accounts will have access to them yet. The answer to this question is actually very simple though. You just need to go and have a little look for yourself. I'm going to show you how to do that in this Instagram video tutorial. To start with, you'll need to head on over to the Instagram app on your phone, and then act as though you are going to create a brand new reel. On the left-hand side of my screen, you can see that I have various options. One of those options is to set a time length for my reel. Your screen may look a little differently to mine, depending on what phone you have, and what operating system you have. As you can see, clicking on the time length will change it. Mine flicks from 15 seconds to 30 seconds to 60 seconds. My account, SMM Beginners, has the 60-second reel feature. Here's the reel screen from another account I run. If I do the same thing, flicking between the time lengths, you can see that this account only has 15 seconds and 30 seconds available. It does not yet have the 60-second reel feature. That's the easiest way to check whether or not your Instagram account can post reels of up to 60 seconds in length. If you can't do it today, check again tomorrow, and then the day after, and then the day after that. As with most new Instagram features, it is being rolled out slowly. There are still accounts that don't have reels at all. I also recommend checking to see whether or not you have an update for the Instagram app. Sometimes, downloading the update will give you access to new features that you didn't have previously. That is what the updates are for, after all. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.